Okay. Now I would like to talk still about the lists. So I will take a series and take the panel to see what is going on here. And now I would like to know, I would like to search through this list. So I would like to dispatch, use the command dispatch and generally present how it is working. So first of all, dispatch should split the list in between the elements which are fulfilling some criteria and not. So first of all, we have to apply this list to the dispatch. Secondly, I would like to get a pattern. So to make a pattern, we will use, for example, smaller than command. And now first number is the list. The second number is, for example, I will take the slider from 2 to 7. So this is just a number. So I'm comparing a number in this list with this number. If it's smaller than 2, it is smaller than or equal to. So I will take this one, and in general, you can now I will show also the rhino. You can see that list A, it's 0 and 1. So this is working. So for example, I would like to sort the points. I will create a point x, y, z. Take the series as the x, so I have a list of points. If I will take a look, 0, 0, 0, and so on. And now I would like to search through those lists to find those one which have the, for example, x coordinate smaller than 2. So they are very close to the beginning of the coordinate system. How to do that? I will deconstruct those points, take the x coordinate and check if it's smaller than 2, and then the list which I want to apply, it's the list of points. So now I have 2 points to present. I will just create a small sphere. So yeah, exactly those 2 points are those which I wanted, which have the coordinates smaller than 2. So this is one way how to search through the list. Second is, let's take a look. Then we can also, then we can also create a sort. To create a sort of the list, first of all, I will just create some random. Okay, so I want to create a random number of elements, but maybe 10. Let's take a look how they are looking. Yeah, so as you can see, they are random. I will just connect it to the keys. And those keys are sorted now. Okay, why they are keys and values? Because sometimes you want to sort, let's say, the elements with the same, uh, uh, or I would say like this: if we have 2 lists of objects, and one, for example, is the volume of the objects, and the second are those objects, we can use the volume of the objects to sort them. Let's try to do it. Let's try to make a, generally we have here some numbers, random numbers. Let's use them as a reduce to produce a lot of spheres. So their radius is random. We would like to sort those spheres around the volume. So I will take volume, it's here, and I will take this volume as a key. So the 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 keys, the volume is sorted now, but now I would like to sort also the spheres itself. Let's take a look. So let's take the list, the item with index 0 should be the smallest sphere. I will take the data and I will just turn off the visibility. So it's very small. So yeah, I will take maybe from 0 to 9. Yeah, so you see the last one is the biggest one. So I sorted the spheres with the volume. So this is one thing.